You've probably seen MrBeast's crazy series where he compares $1 items to $1 million ones, and honestly, that would be cool for me to do, but the only problem there is, I'm broke. So today I'll be putting my own twist on it. Instead of food, cars, vacations, I'm gonna do it with models. We're gonna see what a budget build looks like compared to a high-end build. Since it takes a while for me to make these models, I'm gonna make this a two-part series. In this video, we'll cover from like $1 house to a 100K house, and in the next one, we'll do 500K, then finally the $1 million house. So without further ado, let's get into it. That was the $1 house, nothing crazy, nothing flashy, something simple. So now we're gonna move on to the 10K house, but we're actually gonna start from where I started the interior because my footage got corrupted. Alright, that was a $10,000 house. Not bad, but now it's time to actually level up. Everything I just did, multiply that by 10. We're going on to the $100,000 house. Okay, that's the first floor was done. And now we're done with the second floor walls. Now we just have to do the flooring. Okay, for now, at this moment, I'm leaning to doing exterior first, but I don't know how that would be. If anything, I think we should just start with the roof and then windows. So I think let's just start then. problems with that roof, but I managed to somehow fix it, I guess. Not really, but you'll see what I mean when I'm done with the building. I think we should just move straight into the interior then, right? Yeah, let's do that. Before I continue trying to make this a garage, right? Can we just appreciate these car models for a second? Look at that. I could never. That is a beautiful car right there. And the Mustang too. Goes hard. Look at that. Okay, so now after a few minutes, or like 15 to 25, I'm done, basically. After some time, I did manage to finish the great room with the kitchen and the dining area, but there's still so much work to be done, so let's get to it.
Probably said you.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this was taking way more than I thought it would. Too much time, but we're this far, we can't quit now. The last thing is the second floor, which is hopefully easier. Without any further ado, let's finish this build, alright? Did you really think I wouldn't notice that you haven't subscribed? Subscribe, bro. What you doing? Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Watch these two videos because YouTube says you should, so you should.